You know how these ideas sometimes flit across your social media screen and they seem like good ideas at the time? Well, I gave 3-ingredient cookies a try. If you watched any of my videos before, you know that when it comes to me being in the kitchen, I like quick, easy, and yummy. So those are the 3 secret ingredients for any recipe. But anyway, so I came upon this recipe for like simple, easy cookies, and I'm gonna try it today. Haven't tried it before, so I really hope it turns out, because this is like the easiest recipe ever, and it's also gluten-free, so it's like double points. But all it needs is oatmeal, 2.5 bananas. They didn't even say what size banana, so I'm gonna try 2 and see how I feel about it. And then if I need the half banana, I'll break it out. And chocolate chips. You should get good chocolate like Guitar, because when you're done making the cookies, then at least you can snack on the chips and it'll be like super good, because like these smell really good already. Ooh. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of oatmeal, 1 cup of the chocolate chips, and like I said, 2.5 banana that I'm gonna peel and mash up now. There's this icky brown spot, so I might need that other banana just to, because I'm not going to use that segment. Ugh. So once I get all the bananas in there, I'm gonna mash it up. Which is not so easy. I should have a pestle for doing this. So actually I turned to using the bottom of a measuring cup. So that's easy. So now I'm ready to add my oats. I'm gonna stir it in. So it seems moist enough, but I think I will add in that extra half a banana. You just don't know how big the bananas are that they call for, so you kind of have to guesstimate just by the feel of it. It does feel liquid enough, but I think that just extra bit will help when I add the chocolate chips in. It's mashed up pretty good, and it looks like this cookie will have like more of the consistency of an energy bar, but that's not a bad thing. And it'll be pretty good for you. The only thing is that the chocolate chips will make it sinful, so that's what we want in a cookie, right? So I'm gonna mix the chocolate chips in. I like the sound. So I don't think even 5 minutes have passed, and I'm ready to shape it already. It's supposed to make 12 cookies, and because it doesn't have like much liquid in it at all, it probably won't spread. So I'm going to see if I can stick to one sheet. Let's put that on top. So there's the 12 cookies, and so I'm going to put these in the oven, 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and see what happens. So here it is, just out of the oven, and the whole process no more than 15 minutes. So let's try one. Ooh. It's still a little hot, so I'm just gonna wait a little while. Okay, so let's try one. Chocolate is good. Oh, make sure you have really good chocolate. So it's like a really soft, kind of gooey energy bar. I think it needs something else to give it a little bit more crunch, but now that I've tried this, I think I might experiment more. Maybe it just needs something like nuts added to it, or like a nut powder, just to give it more body and less gooiness. But it's really good and relatively healthy for you, except for maybe the chocolate. But it's an interesting alternative if you can't have gluten. So it's good to try, but it needs something else. So I'll be trying to experiment with this more. Actually, I think if I made this again, I would try adding dried fruit in it, like dried cranberries or blueberries or something like that. Then it would be more like a fruit bar, and then it would seem more natural and make more sense than a cookie without a crunch. Okay, bye.